Escape sequence. Anything in C which start with this is an escape sequence. Escape sequence is generally used for those which are not seen in or on the display, like the blank, like the tab, like the new line character. All these are escape sequences, and they are always followed by a backslash. Say slash, and I'll give you a total list of that. This slash and slash t, these are all, this new line character, tab character. Let me show you first. If you want to print this content, and you have given slash t, and here you have given slash n. So this will be printed with a tab. See, this you have tab up, and here you have given slash n. So you will go to the next line now, and now the tab, all these tab will take place. So you see, here you have given a content which is not looking very good here, but the formatting you have provided, it is looking great here. So this slash and this slash t, all these are very important in your programming. Let me give you an idea. Slash n is for new line. If you want to apply the backspace, slash b, form feed, slash f, slash t for tab, slash r for carriage return, slash a for alert. And this C, single quotes and double quotes, these are reserved for C. So if you really want to print this single quote or double quote, you have to put a slash before it, like this. Especially this backslash is also reserved. For that you have to give double slash. This is all. If you want to just give a beep, say slash a. Slash r is, it will take the cursor to the beginning of the line. Let us see an example. If you want to put or print this line, you have a single quote here, double quote here, double quote here. But double quote cannot be printed like this. For that you have an escape sequence. So when you put this escape sequence here, and here, you will print the way you want, which is actually you wanted, because otherwise these, if you don't put slash, the backslash, there will be an error. So this is how we print. It can be used with %d, %c, all these specifications are there. But there is something which compiler does. If you give some things which are not making very good sense, so the compiler would give values which are not very appreciable. I'll give you an example for that. See, this is character. Now you want to print this character ch, but okay, %c is good and fine. But how about %d? How about %f? This ch cannot be printed as %d, %f. Even this ch can be printed as %d because it is, okay, this is, it can be taken as an ASCII value. But what about %f? So all these values have been printed with mismatched format specifier. And if you see the result, this is the result. And as I said, you will not appreciate this result, because this is the place where a C programmer has to be very careful. Next is the scanf. Scanf does what? It takes the value. This is the format string, and these are the list of addresses of variable. So address means you use ampersand, because scanf does what? Whenever you take the value, or from the keyboard say, when you take the value, it has to be placed somewhere in the memory. For that you have to give the address of the memory. That address is ampersand, and these are the format specifier. Please understand, we put a blank, a space between them, and we don't include the escape sequence inside the format string as far as scanf is concerned.